City of mine, how I love the city of mine.
Oh no, 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 come too far from where I have started from. Nobody told me the road would be easy, and I don't believe he's brought me this far. Hey guys, we are back in the community of Creekhaven. If you haven't had a chance, you can check out our first two videos on this new community in Iowa Colony / Rosharon, Texas, zip code 77583. Right now, we're going to walk two of the models over here. One of the videos that I'm going to link just above is going to be for Coventry that we filmed, but this community is still so new that they haven't even finished all of the model homes. Today we're going to take a look at Brightland, and then we're going to go down to Castle Rock, which is here, and maybe we'll check out Kalina. I don't know. We'll see what we have, because again, the community is so new that some of the homes aren't ready yet, haven't been furnished, blah, blah, blah. So we're going to go and take a look and see what this Brightland home looks like and give you all the information. Hello. So they're out, but we're going to, doesn't look like this one is quite ready, but we're going to walk through and see. Hello. See if it's furnished. Oh yeah, it's furnished. So let's take a look at this one, and we're gonna walk. Hello.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine.
For those of you who are just new to my channel, you know I don't just like to show you beautiful homes. I like to show you how you can get into them and how you can live into them. So I'm going to have a seat, and I would like to give you information that I have on Brightland Homes. Now, back in the day, Brightland Homes used to be Guillen Homes. And of course, they're now Brightland Homes, but they're going to have another rebranding in a couple weeks, which they will be DRB Homes. But as it pertains to Creekhaven, I want to just bring you in and give you all the information that I have about this builder. So as we just were walking in, the empty clear space across the street is going to be where the Creekhaven Amenity Center will be. It's going to have a rec center, a resort style pool, and they're going to be walking trails and amenity lakes. This community is zoned to Alvin ISD, so Nichols Mock Elementary, Iowa Colony Junior High, and Iowa Colony High School. Now, Brightland has in this community 11 different floor plans ranging from 3 to 5 bedrooms, 2 to 4 baths, minimum square footage of 1610, and the most 3,050. We'll walk through it and I'll show you this home. This is the Rosewood. This is the big baby of all of their floor plans. This is the biggest, the largest. Hey. Now, what I do want to give you is some more information about Brightland Homes, later to be rebranded as DRB Homes. Now, standard features for this builder, they will have 8-foot front doors on all of their floor plans and 10-foot ceilings, which will vary by floor plan. Some of the incentives that they have right now as of the recording of this video, if you were to build in this community right now, they are offering $40,000 that can be used for structural, can be used at the design center. That is going to be what the build incentive is. And for the first 3 homes, there's an extra $10K, so $50K there. They have quick move-ins. Right now they have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 homes that are ready to purchase and move in right now, so you can be in just before the holidays. If you were to move in quickly right now, the buyer incentives include 4.99 fixed interest rate, and there's some flex cash in there up to $21,000, or you can get bottom dollar pricing. And bottom dollar is, hey, this is what it is. This is the base. You can have it at this price with $7,500 that you can use towards closing costs. Right now, their preferred lender is touting a 21-day close. So quick move in. We can have you in again before the holidays. But I know what you came to see, and that's this beautiful home. So let's walk through so I can show it to you. Just as you're walking in, you get this wide open space. You can look upstairs and see anyone that is in the game room and peering over the balcony. But you have this beautiful, classy office, and I love the colors and the decor. Here's your half bath coming in, so it's right in the front for all of your visitors. You're going to have your laundry room, which leads out to your garage. And this laundry room has so much storage space. So we'll show you that. Here is going to be your coat closet. I love this kitchen. Imagine cooking in here. And this is so big. You can have people prepping, meal prepping. You can have others around this island. I like that they have this additional space over here, so you can get ready with your coffee station there. I love the tuxedo look on the cabinets with the gray here, and then the forest green it looks like with the black handles. This is really nice. This is really, really nice. While we take a
break, I will go ahead and give you some additional standard features offered with Brightland Homes here in Creekhaven. Now, in terms of the exterior, all of the homes are going to be 3-sided brick, so front, left, and right. And if it's a 2-story home, it's still front, left, and right of the home's exterior on the first floor only. Additionally, all of the homes are going to have fully sodded front and backyards, a full yard sprinkler system, front gutters, and a covered patio. Coming back around inside the home, some of the standard features are going to be 10-foot or higher ceiling heights in the main living areas. Obviously, that's going to vary per design. As it pertains to the kitchens are going to offer granite countertops with ceramic tile backsplash, 42-inch wooden cabinetry, and anything that you see here in this video, if you like it, save this video, because if you are building, you can select your options just like you see here in this home, because if you're building, you get 4 hours of complimentary design service with a professional interior design consultant who will assist in color and option selections. And if I'm your home girl, I'm going to be there too. While we are showing you the upstairs of this model home, which is the Rosewood floor plan, I wanted to come back and re-emphasize that there are 7 homes that are available right now in Creekhaven that are priced to move, and you can take immediate possession and be in just in time for the holidays. Now, the least expensive of those 7 homes is going to be the mahogany floor plan, which is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it is big. It is 1,868 square feet with a spa-inspired owner's retreat at just under $330,000. You're going to want to make sure that you're subscribed to this channel and make sure you turn your notifications on, because I'm going to walk you through that home. So make sure you don't miss it. Of the 7, the largest is going to be the Magnolia floor plan, which is 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, coming in at 2,679 square feet at just under $380,000. Again, those homes are available for immediate purchase. All you have to do is reach out to me for any interest, any questions. I'm here because I don't know if you already know it, but you should never purchase a new construction home on your own without a knowledgeable realtor. Those salespeople, they work for the builder. You need someone in your corner that's going to work hard for you.
So now that you've seen this home, what are your thoughts? What did you like? What did you not like? Do you have any questions? Drop down in the comments and let me know. But if you need immediate assistance, feel free to call me, text me, or email me. Again, all of my contact information is going to be in the listing description of this video. So before I let you go away, that sounds good in this house. But before I let you go, I want to let you know that Brightland is building on 50-foot lots here in the Creekhaven community, which means wider lots and more space between you and your neighbors. Additionally, you can come out to the community, choose a lot, choose a floor plan, and they will then send you to the design center, which is at 290 in the Beltway, so that you can make your selections on flooring, on cabinetry color, on countertop, on wall paint, on garage paint, on fixtures, all of those things. But it starts here in the community of Creekhaven, and it starts with your homegirl, Daphne Brown, because I do want to be your homegirl, because I am always ready and willing to enable you to find your way home. Till next time, guys. Bye-bye. Before I let you go away, can I get a kiss goodnight?
Just pulled up to the house.